You are watching my YouTube channel CoyTV, where I make my video tutorial, travel vlogs, tech review, and unboxing, and many more. Today's content, it will be a video tutorial in what are the step-by-step process in enabling your super chat. What are the perks of having super chat? What is super chat? What are the countries having the super chat feature? And for those people that are new to my channel, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell to be updated in my future videos. So let's start and let's roll the intro. Some people asking, what are the revenues that you will be having in YouTube if you will become a YouTuber or a content creator in YouTube? First thing is the ads. You can gain revenues in ads. And also, the topic today is about the super chat. One of the ways you can have your revenue is the super chat. It is one of the biggest contributor in terms of revenue in YouTube right now, because you can also donate or like support your content creator by having super chat. And also the third revenue is like having stickers, like supporting every month subscription of the content creator and support them. So ads, super chat, and also the super stickers and the subscription, except the revenue by sponsoring your channel. First step in this 2020 is make sure that you are be able to monetize your YouTube channel, because without having monetization in YouTube channel, you cannot be able to enable your super chat. In terms of monetization, make sure to gain 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours before your channel will get reviewed. And if you will pass to their YouTube partner program, then you will be able to see your super chat to be able to be enabled in your features in your YouTube studio. So the second step that I will gonna say is that make sure that your country is supported by super chat, because not all countries in the world is supported by super chat. So now I will be able to enable my super chat because my channel is already monetized, and also my country is supported with super chat. So my country is Philippines, so I can be able to enable my super chat. So for your information, for those YouTuber, if you think that your country is having this feature, I will show to you what are the countries or how many countries will be able to having this super chat enabled in their countries. So the third step will be going to your YouTube channel, go to your YouTube studio, then go to monetization page. Then let's dive into it. So if you are here in your YouTube studio, because this YouTube studio is there where this where are the magic happens for the YouTubers. As you can see in the left side corner, you can read dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, and audio library. So just click the monetization. Then if you are here in the monetization, click super. As you can see, there are overview, then the side of it is the supers. So click the supers, then click the get started. As you can see, paid features, commerce product addendum. So you can read all of these: affiliate agreements, brand features, commerce content, commerce product, everything here. You just need to read this. Then you need to fill out this three section: the full name, email address, then the company name. So let's put our complete name. Then my Gmail. Gmail.com. So the next is company name. So let's put our channel. Then you need to click this, tick the box. I have read and understood this agreement. By clicking I accept below, I represent that I have the authority to bind the entity named above and accept the terms and agreement. So let's just click or tick the box, then accept. So after accepting this supers, as you can see here, the super chat is enabled. Then the super sticker is enabled. Depending if you want to enable the super sticker, then the super chat, because super chat is very important if you want to have more revenue in your YouTube channel, because except for the ads, YouTube revenue comes from having a super chat. Like if you doing a live stream, it is like the dollar sign below the emoji. For those YouTubers that are helping their creators or for supporting them, so they can, it is like donation. So as you can see, you can read, follow best practices. You may earn more super chat revenue by following these tips. So you can learn more. You can just click this to at least learn more about the super chat. So as you can see, we are in redirecting to the YouTube Academy. So lesson 1, lesson 2, you can go all the lessons here. So YouTube is also creating for YouTuber, at least they have this kind of tutorials that they will not go like walking blind for these features. So let's go back. I think YouTube is making the content creator having more features to be able to enable their YouTube channel to be having more revenues, except from the ads that many people is watching. Your super chat and stickers activity. So no super chats yet. We aren't able to show super chat transaction at this time. So we will wait for some instruction from YouTube. So this is, I guess this is the thing, that the step-by-step process of having a super chat. So let me see in the comments below if what are your questions about this monetization, if it's actually showing when you are going live, and what are the more important things. So just ask below. So let me see your comments. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned something for today's content, and for those new to my channel, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell to be updated in my future videos and tutorials. So thank you and God bless. To those people that are still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated in my future videos. Thank you and God bless.